Life is hard. It's easy to lose oneself in the trials and tribulations of our short existence. And filmmaking is no different. Light stands fall, lens caps are left on, SD cards are recklessly reformatted, cables are left behind and lost forever. Chaos is the law of a cold universe. But I'm here to help, a guiding light in the darkness. I will show you how to fold a screen. It may seem impossible, and it may not work on the first try, but with persistence, you can do it with these simple steps. First, fully extend the screen to stand vertically, with hands angled at the top corners. Fold it like a taco.
Delicious!
When folding, one hand moves over the other to overlap the edges. Lift it up slightly off the ground. Let the forward end slide towards you. Bring down the top and connect the bottom to complete the circle. Carry this advice with you, and I hope it will bring you peace, knowing that it starts by folding a screen, completing a task, and before you know it, you can do anything. Good luck.